he's making progress slowly, but he is making progress. That's right. That's why I know. Yes, that's why I know. Yeah, he's working on it slow but sure, and since he's doing it for free, we really can't. I'm not trying to push him, but he's going to do it right. It's going to look good. I've seen a couple of pictures of what his progress is so far, and it looks pretty good.
Yeah.
When it's done, it'll be nice.
Now, did he have was going to build up the actual
Oh, the building?
No, this.
Oh, this?
Yes. It'd just be too unwieldy.
He said, no, in fact, this is the gentleman who built this. So ask all the questions you will find. He is the one you know. How you doing? I know him, but why do I know him?
Experience Big Thunder. That sounded even more wondrous. That sounded so cool. So I recognized Sure. Yeah. Bears, the tumbling rocks. Yeah. Oh, bear country. The first bear country. Exactly. So, yeah, that got me really interested in that. Where are you going around? Back on Fullerton Railroad. So, I started last year. Yeah. Feels like it. It was, started out with paper mache, newspaper, and stars, and
Excellent.
popsicle sticks.
Does any of that exist here?
No. So, over time, I learned new materials, new techniques.
Fantastic. So you're all self-taught, pretty much? Wow. And he said you work at the model yard?
Yeah.
Are you over web? Yeah. Star Wars? Except they didn't. I didn't know